Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to View First. In here you will see mostly unboxing of online products, learn different kinds of geeks, tricks, and tips in line with electronics, gaming, and other cool related ideas. Today we're opening this package from fair.ph. We're expecting the package 2 power supply, a 12 volts 15 ampere which costs 378 each, and 3 1-meter flat noodle micro USB charger data cable which costs 19 pesos. So this is the 3 micro USB data cable, color yellow. There, let's try to focus it. Let's focus again. There. And now let's proceed to the power supply. This is a 12 volts 15 ampere. There's a switch. You can choose 110 volts and 220. And there you can see the live and the neutral or AC, the ground, the two positive and negative, and the adjustment voltage. So this is the S18012. There, let's check the other one. Actually, it's the same power supply. Oops. There. Actually, this is the same 12 volts 15 ampere. So that's all for now guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to put thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.